Loud and clear. What's up? How can I help you out?
All right, so I remember talking to you last week. I did my homework, some research on the cash buyers in Dayton, Ohio. I have that property locked up. So right now we're close to the closing point and I still haven't really found a cash buyer. So my thing is he needs to close like this week. And I've been trying to talk him down on the price and he won't go under 45. So that's his bottom number. So I locked it up at 45 now. And it needs like 80K in repairs.
Okay.
So I remember you saying like, if I do my homework and, watch that video about the finding cash buyers or whatever, you'll help me out a little bit like JB with me. So if you can do that, or if we could get something in motion like that, I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you know how much you can sell the property for?
Man, this property, like, I called a couple of cash buyers and they called it like a horrible property. So one buyer offered me like 12K and I have it under contract for 45,000. So I've been trying to figure out, is he really like trying to sell the property or is he also a wholesaler? But I don't think he is, because he said he got it from the government, like under the property tax people. They sell the property to him under a deed or something.
So Xavier,
what's up?
Send this deal to support@flipwithrick.com.
Okay, but
Xavier,
also,
I'm gonna be honest with you. If we underwrite it and we say it's not a good deal, we're not gonna go forward with it.
Okay.
I'm a professional at this, all right? Like,
yeah,
I don't waste my time on bad deals.
Yeah.
And so I gotta if I comp, I'm like, hey, this isn't a good deal, I'm not gonna waste my time.
Yeah.
I got buyers there.
Right.
I'm not little Red Riding Hood, okay?
Yeah.
I'm not a boy that cried wolf.
Right.
This is real, dude. I want everyone watching this to understand this. If you constantly send trash deals to your cash buyers, you're going to be labeled as the trash buyer guy.
Yeah.
So, for example, if I'm a chef, right, and 8 out of 10 meals are absolutely terrible, like you want to throw up.
Yeah.
But 2 out of 10 are the best thing you've ever had in your life.
Right.
No one's going to want to eat your food. It's too risky. Too risky to go to a restaurant that does that, right?
Right. Yeah.
There's a Mexican restaurant in Stewart where I live.
Mm-hmm.
The best burrito tacos I've had in the United States, and I've gone to Mexico plenty of times, and I have good tacos from like old grandmas in Mexico, like the best tacos of my life. Like there's a legit chef there. He's only there 2 days a week, and every time I go there, it's like he's either there or he's not. Yeah. And when he's there, oh my gosh, it's the best.
The best tacos. You gotta have that one special.
Trash, bro.
Zach, you ever had soul food You ever had soul food like?
Bro, there's a dude from Kansas City that has his own barbecue smoker in Fort Pierce. I'll drive 30 minutes just to go get his food.
Yeah. See?
He's got the cornbread. Dude, it is amazing. Bro, it is so good.
Yeah.
I've had legit soul food, but
mouth watering. Yes.
But like, what I mean by this is like, dude, you do not want to go give out a bunch of bad deals and you're labeled like that.
Yeah. Okay. Look, how about I put it in the private chat? You want to pull it up real quick in the private chat and see some pictures or not?
Email it to me. I'm going to send it to my underwriting team.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, that's all. And then, shoot, I want to see if like I could talk him down with you. Like I could give him a call right now, but like you said, you're not going to waste your time on it. So if he's stuck at 45K.
Why was he stuck on that price?
It's really like he can't. Basically, he was talking to another buyer and he offered him 46K. So he just said he's working with me. So basically, like, I told him straight up, like, he was like, I understand that you're a young African-American male, you're trying to get your business started, and he's selling the property. And I told him, I was like, I'm a wholesaler. And he was like, that's cool with me. Just as long as you can help me sell my property, I don't mind. So it's like, he knows about wholesaling and he's stuck at 45,000 though. So it's just like, I can't really. I talked to another person. They said I should try to get it at 32.5 at the least because of how much it needs in repairs. And I'm like, I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna send it in though. I'm gonna let you guys look at it. And if it, like you said,
let me look at it. I'll tell you. I mean, dude, if someone gave you 12, I don't like that either, man.
Yeah. Can I put it in the chat? It's locked up already. I mean,
put it in the chat, bro. Let me look at it. I'll look at it, man.
All right, cool.
But I'm telling you, dude, I'm straight up just look at the comps. I don't play games with it.
Right.
But I'll have my underwriting team look at it. But what I can tell you is when you start sending bad deals to your buyers, they don't trust you anymore. So let me just go part date and you're out of here.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it. Let me look at it. So,
oh my gosh.
Okay, this is not a deal.
Yes,
literally, I'm just cutting you off straight up on this. This is not a deal.
yeah.
It took me 4 seconds to see this was a deal. You know why it's not a deal?
Because I think I might have two. Both of my phones may be on there. My fault. I was trying to really get in, but yeah.
Bro, you understand why this isn't a deal?
It needs too much work.
No, it's a FSBO. And you didn't lock it up for 70% of the FSBO price, which is against my rules.
Yeah. Do you think we could talk them down if I give them a call? Should we try it for the people? No.
Call him up, bro. Actually, no, I'll call him up.
No, wait. Okay, bet. This is his phone number. Let's see if he answers.
I have his phone number.
Oh, shit.
It's a FSBO, bro.
Okay, bet.
Actually, wait, you have to call him. It's too late for me to call him.
All right. Let me call him. All right. Hold on. I'm calling him right now. Let's see.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, what's up, Tyler? I have my partner right now. He's on the phone.
Hey, Tyler, this is Zach.
Hi, Zach. Nice to meet you.
Hey, man, just being honest with you, talk to Xavier about this real estate deal right here. I'm just going to cut to the chase here. Our price is $30,000. It needs way too much work for us. Quarter this thing out. If it doesn't work, no big deal. We can get out of the agreement. I don't want to force you into something, but that's where we have to be right now.
Okay. Would you be able to at least kind of break down how you got there, or
I'll be straight up with you. First of all, this thing's been listed for 80 days at $45,000, and I see the price got cut. There's no way at all we can buy this property, put money into it, and put it back on the market. And an appraiser can look at it and see that this got no price activity at $45,000 for 80 days. So straight up with any person, if we renovate the property and put it back on the market, the numbers just won't work with that.
Got you. So have you taken a look? Like, did you look into it yourself, or how are you? So you said 80 days. Where'd you see that, or where'd you find
Based
that?
on the pictures on the property.
So you found that it was sitting for 80 days at $45K based off of the pictures?
Based off the listing.
Oh, okay. So you looked.
Am I wrong?
The listing. So you looked at the listing on where?
Zillow.
Okay. So I just lowered the price yesterday to 45. So I'm not sure where you're getting that, but I actually just lowered it to 45 yesterday.
245?
Yeah, he just lowered it to 45 yesterday.
245, yes.
No.
See, it was listed 2/21/2023 for $50,000. Pending sale. Listed for sale 3/20/2023. Price change 3/25/2023.
Right, that's yesterday. So it wasn't 80 days.
It says right here, days on Zillow. Xavier, let me show you my screen really quick just so you can see this. Does it say 80 days or does it not say 80 days on this?
Yeah, he said he knows. He's just saying he listed it yesterday for 45,000. It was listed for 80 days though. That's what he said.
It was listed for 80 days.
Okay, yeah. That's all we trying to get past. So Tyler, do you think that?
My thing is, you're coming in strong, right? You said 30,000, take it or leave it. You're kind of running through your reasoning, but I just want to make sure you have your information actually in order before I just run in and accept your low ball. So it wasn't listed for 80 days at 45,000. That matters. And then also it was pending for that 45 days. Actually, I had a deal with another wholesaler. And they couldn't pay their escrow payment. This was a foreclosure.
Tyler, I ain't gonna wholesale this. This thing will be bought in for cash.
He's gonna buy it for cash. This is my partner. This is my partner.
As a cash buyer, as somebody that buys and rents out properties, that's my price. I'm not here to say, oh, and wholesale is I'm here to buy this thing cash. So unfortunately, that's where we're at. I hate to be a hardball at this, but those are the numbers. And if not, I can go buy another cheaper property in Dayton and make it work. So I'm not here to debate it. That's where we're at, and that's how I came up with the numbers.
Okay, so I really think, so just respectfully, I think that that really isn't like what you're saying, really isn't fair, honestly, because you're pretty much saying take it or leave it. But I would really, if I'm going to accept that offer, I need to know how you got there. So I need to know what the ARV is. What the rehab costs you estimate be, all that to see if it's a good deal for me. So can you run through those specifics?
All right, let me give you the specifics on this. I can buy this thing for $30,000. That's where I'm at. Is it a yes or no?
Let me get back to you.
Okay. Please get back to me.
All right.
If I need an answer by tomorrow, if not, we're just gonna go buy another property.
And we are closing. We should be closing this week too. So that's the thing. I've told you he's a heavy hitter. He closed within like 24 hours.
Yeah. So I mean, Xavier, we've been talking and we've kind of built a rapport. But I just the way you said your name was Zach.
My name is Zach.
Yeah. Really not getting really a positive vibe at all. Like I understand,
I'm a numbers guy, Tyler. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm a numbers guy. Unfortunately, this is not here where I'm trying to. This is not a sales thing for me. This is I can buy this thing and rent it out and go straight to it. If you want to deal with somebody that will give you the whole positive vibes, I would highly recommend listing it on the market. When you're dealing with a legit cash buyer who's going to buy this thing cash, we're all with the numbers, man.
Okay, yeah. So you have my contract. So what more do you need from me at this point?
A yes or no?
Yeah, let's do that. Yep, let's lock it in.
Let's lock it in. 30,000.
Yep. I'm taking the L.
Are you sure? Because we could close this week, and
Yeah. I mean, one more. Yeah. So I said yeah. So what? I mean, just let me know what more you need.
All right, cool. I'll send. Everything is locked up. All right, cool. We'll finalize it.
Great. So I guess you should have everything. So we'll just go in and change the price on there. When can you make that 3% escrow?
Whenever. Do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Sure. I mean, Xavier, whatever you want.
All right, cool. Tomorrow we'll make that.
Right.
We'll make that 3% escrow tomorrow.
Okay. And so when could we? So you said we can still close this week?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay. Great.
All right, cool.
All right.
I'll give you a call in the morning.
All right. I'm gonna go to.
Sounds good.
All right. Hey,
Oh,
I knew you'd be able to talk them down. It's just me personally. I think I'm too nice. I'm the nice guy. But you said we're straight to it.
Dude, I can get sweet. I can get sweet with the seller. I can talk all day. I can shoot the shoot. But with someone like that, dude, that one's the whole emotional. But no, I'm at this price or this. All right, I have like 7 or 8 different sales tactics I have. Straight to the point's one of them, and then that's where I'm at. With this specific guy, 30 grand, take it or leave it. 0.7 of the thing, and that's where I'm at. Because he built the rapport, built all that stuff. I knew he was gonna take it.
I've been working on them all week, but I got another property too. It's a duplex also. I don't know if you want to also work on that one, but we could get this going. But cool, Zach. I don't want to hold you up. I'm gonna make sure I send that. Well, I got the contract. I'm gonna just fix it up to 30K, and then I guess send it over to you.
Send it over. We'll see what we can dispo it. I didn't promise to close this week though, bro. I didn't say that.
Yeah, I know he needs to close. I feel like we can.
I didn't say that, man.
Yeah. That's my fault. If I'll talk to him though. I'll talk. That's my fault on my end. I'm sorry.
Killing me here, dude. All right. I mean, the numbers look good on this. At that price, at 30, we can make that work probably.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get heavy on the phones on this, but
yeah. I'm still calling around you. All right, cool. Appreciate you, Zach. I'll stay in contact with you. I can't talk to you other than on this, so it's like I tried to add you as a friend on Facebook and all of that. So we'll just go through email.
That's it, man. Study what I said. I'm telling you. Sometimes you can't be sweet with somebody.
Yeah.
The number didn't work, and I found a number that did work, and it was either a yes or no. This is another thing I want you to understand. People respect when you're absolutely, completely honest with somebody.
Right. Yeah.
No BS, no fluff, no cute sugary stuff. Straight to the people respect that. People also respect authority.
Yeah.
I'm a cash buyer. I'm an authority figure. I have the cash right now.
Right.
Bro, I could fart 30,000. I got 30,000 in closings. Probably scheduled tomorrow. All right. I'm gonna have to go look at the house.
Okay.
So he's gonna be up my butt. The seller. He's gonna be like, oh, come by, close. I need to get actual person inside looking at it to go verify it. So.
All right. Cool.
Yeah, man. I was actually kind of surprised. Said yes to that 30, but.
That's what
I've had more shocking opponents before.
That's 23,000 under what I locked it up for. I had it at 53, and I was too up. I was too high. So it's like, I appreciate it. I know you got other people trying to talk to you though. So I'm
all right, man.
Have a good night, bro.
I'm telling everyone, I'll close any of your seller. I'll tell you this: it being 11:02 p.m. at night, that is the latest closing I've ever had in my life. So shout out to you. You're part of history here. But 11:02 will be the latest I've ever closed a seller over the phone. So congrats on that one. You are part of history on this channel. So
all right, cool. You said flip. Wait, what's the email?
support@flipwithrick.com.
Okay, cool. All right, bet. I got you. I don't want to hold you up. Have a good night, man. Appreciate
All right,
you.
have a good one, man.
All right.
That was kind of funny. I'm telling you guys, like, I see the numbers. I'm like, all right, 45 ain't gonna work. Saw the fistball on that. I'm like, let's just do 30. And then he gets to the point. The guy's like, oh, give me the reason. Give me the. He's trying to complicate it. He's trying to get me off. I'm like, are you selling me or I'm selling you? I'm at this price, yes or no? I would love to tell you that there's no if in the way. If not, buts, blah, yes or no. People like authority sometimes. And when you go to a seller and say, hey, I'm at this price, or my partner's at this price, it's a yes or no, this is where they're at. It's risky. The person can say no, you lose the deal. But sometimes in situations like this, it actually works. Find me another real estate wholesaler on YouTube that will have anyone hop on, give me a lead, I'm gonna close it for you. Heck, I don't even know the guy's name until 4 seconds in, until 4 seconds, and I make the offer.